Hello friends, welcome back to the channel SK Codify, and in this video we are going to talk about Visual Studio Code extension Live Server. Okay, Live Server is a tool to run our HTML pages in server mode. What is this HTML pages in server mode means? See here, uh, this is an HTML page that we are running in a server mode on this host and this on this port. Okay, so but before looking into this live server, let's see what is the problem or why we need a server mode. Okay, so usually what we used to do, we have a HTML page and open in Resident File Explorer. We can run it from here. Okay, and I can call it, this is a file mode. Okay, this is a file mode, this is not running in a server mode. Okay, so when actually we are making a project, we need to test our project on in a running mode. Okay, we will see in a video what are the differences running in a file mode and running in a server mode, why we need the application or this HTML page to run on server mode. We can talk about that later, but here I would like to talk about a tool which makes it very easy to run our HTML pages in server mode. Okay, so that tool is called Live Server. Here you can see at this left panel we have an extension. This in the Visual Studio Code we have this button which is an extension. So here in this search button, if you type the Live Server, you will get a lot of option about the Live Server. So this is the Live Server tool. Okay, which is already installed in my Visual Studio. So you can see how heavily it is being used by the people and what is the rating of it. So when you open this extension, you can install it. Okay, and once you install it, what you will get an option when you have an HTML page is right click on the page and you can open this with it. You will get this option. Okay, open with Live Server. See this. Okay, I'm getting my HTML page running in a server mode. Okay, which has this port. So when you don't know the port, you can see here. Okay, and what is the benefit is that as soon as you change the code, it will let's say here it is written, I'm running on a live server, it will reflect immediately. Okay, see here. Okay, let me try to run it side by side. Okay, and here try to do this. Okay, two. Here I'm saying I'm happy. I'm happy running on live server. As soon as I save it, you can save it. Okay, so this is very useful tool. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next video we will talk about a tool called Microsoft Edge Dev Tool. Okay, thank you.